In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams, a handy tool for managing your interactions in this popular collaboration platform. Microsoft Teams is an essential tool in many workplaces, helping teams to communicate effectively and to collaborate effortlessly. However, sometimes you might find a need to block certain individuals, perhaps to manage distractions or to maintain your peace of mind during work hours. It is a straightforward process that I'm going to guide you through step by step, so let's get started. To begin this process, you'll first need to go to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Teams on your desktop or the web browser, the steps will be quite similar. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of options on the side menu such as Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you're not already. Now the next step is to navigate to the Chat option. Click on it and it will bring up your recent conversations. This is where you'll find all the individuals you're currently chatting with or have chatted with in the past. You should see a list of contacts here, the people you've been collaborating with or discussing projects with. Find the name of the person you want to block. Once you've located the person's name in your chat list, direct your attention to the right side where you'll see three little dots. These are often referred to as the More Options button. It's a small and discreet icon, but very useful. Click on these three dots next to the individual's name. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of actions you can take. Within this menu, look for the Block option. This is the key function we're focusing on today. By selecting Block, you're effectively stopping that person from being able to send you messages and communications via Teams. It's a useful feature for managing unwanted distractions or communications that might be unnecessary during your workday. And there you have it. Once you've clicked Block, your task is complete. You can always reverse this decision later if needed by going back to a similar menu and selecting an Unblock option. It's nice to have this flexibility just in case circumstances change and you're ready to re-establish contact with the person you've blocked. So that's the easy and effective way to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Hopefully, this guide was helpful in showing you how to take control of your digital workspace, ensuring your communication is as efficient and stress-free as possible. Thanks for watching and happy working with Microsoft Teams.